Okay, so here's the guitar. It's kind of old, but it's pretty good. Here's the amp, line 6. So here you go, James. Record me. Guess I'll do a little bit of a test.
How about the Iron Man?
It's a pretty good guitar. I mean, it's kind of old, but it's a pretty nice guitar, especially the amp. It's got a lot of effects on here, like this. It's got some other stuff. Let's try that one. Got a whole bunch of different settings. Not right now, Michael. This is crunch. It's got clean, metal, and sing. I mostly like the metal.